So everybody's kind of up in the air and nobody knows what to think about the new healthcare reform. It's been confusing. Everybody doesn't know where we're going with this, but dentists have the ability to get on board. Because of the new healthcare reform, what they're talking about is the ability to be able to be paid by prevention. And medicine is not thinking about prevention because they've always treated end-stage disease. So one of the things that you can do in your morning huddle is start brainstorming with your staff on ways that you can communicate better with physicians. Talking to the physicians now and networking with the physicians is going to be the way to create interpersonal relationships and growth within your practice. If the physicians start understanding that if they refer their patients to you, not only is your practice going to grow, but the physician is going to be paid on that preventative medicine. So a key component of talking to your staff is really getting the patient's information, collecting the physician of choice on the patient's medical history. For instance, if you have a patient that has a cardiac issue, you may want to know who their cardiologist is, and you may want to get in contact with them. Planning and getting a team member on board that can start creating those relationships with physicians is really, really a key to your success. Another thing that you can do is not only planning this, but actually creating a dynamic dental team that you can refer your patients to. For instance, I have a orthopedic surgeon that I work with, and the number one thing that he told me is that his surgeries do not fail because of his surgeries. His surgeries fail because of undiagnosed bacterial disease, mostly found from patients that have oral disease in the mouth. So for you, getting in contact with the orthopedic surgeons in your area, getting them on your team, and maybe setting up a website so that interlinking your website with their website, or creating the dynamic medical team and placing that on your website so your patients know who to go to. But orthopedic surgeons that understand this issue and how important dentistry is can really help to grow your practice. And especially with the new healthcare reform coming, we are a part of that prevention. So talking to your staff about who wants to be on board, who wants to build this dynamic medical team, and really start connecting with the physicians in your area. It can only create success in your practice and grow you to new levels that you never thought of before. So good luck, get a plan, get the local medical staff on board with you, cardiologists, internists, nutritionists. Nutritionists are another key component that we haven't thought about before in dentistry. So getting on board with all of those orthopedic surgeons and top doctors in your area to really grow your practice can be the key to your success. So good luck on the next morning huddle, talking to your staff about growth within the practice, working with physicians.